Hello everyone, you're welcome to Dazzling Fashion World. Good to have you here. Today we want to look at how to make a 4-in-1 head bonnet. It is 4-in-1 because it will be made in a reversible manner. That is, you can wear it inside out, so that is 2. Then you can make it as a wrap, that is using the headband to tie the head bonnet around your head, that is 3. Then you can wear it without using the headband, that is 4. So let's get started. The first thing is to measure your head circumference. That is, take the tape measure around your head and get your measurements. The measurements I'll be using for this tutorial, the head circumference is 23.5 inches plus 1 inch, that is 24.5. So I'll be making use of these African print, Ankara fabric and lining. You can make use of satin, but I don't have satin here, so I'm using my lining. So if you want to wear it inside out, make use of satin, or you can make use of another Ankara fabric. So now, the measurement, which is 24.5 inches, that is the head circumference plus 1 inches, I've already taken it on my fabric. You can see this is 24.5 inches. Then as the width, then the length is also 24.5 inches. You can see it. Then you will take the same measurements on your lining as well. Can you see? It's the same measurements. So now let's get started. The first thing is to fold your fabric into 2 equal parts. Then you fold it again like this, making 4. So we are folding into 4 places. Measure whatever you have from the tip here to this place. So I have 12.25 here. So you measure that 12.25 round. So 12.25, I'll mark it. 12.25 mark. I'll join the points. So I've successfully joined the points. Then I'll cut. Can you see? So I'll open it up. I'll have a circle. Can you see? So I have a circle. So you will cut the same. You place this on your lining or your satin and cut exactly the same shape out. So I've cut exactly the same shape out on my lining. So you take your lining and your fabric, you place it on each other. Let the positive side of the fabric face the positive side of the lining. Then you will sew it. Can you see? Let it align. Then you will sew it round by half an inch and leave like 4 inches opening. Leave like 4 inches opening. So you can start from here like this. You sew round and stop here. So we are going to turn it out at this place. So I'll go to sew. So I've sewed it round by half an inch. Can you see it? And I left about 4 inches for turning it to the right side. But before doing that, I'll notch it round. So after notching it all round like this, you notch it round. Then you will turn it here to the positive side and iron it. So I have turned and ironed it. So the next thing is to cut our elastic band. So the width of my elastic band is about 0.375 inches. Can you see? Now you will sew with 0.5 each all round, leaving the opening that was left here before. Sew round with 0.5 inch. Since my elastic is 0.375, so that it can go in easily. So you sew round with 0.5 inch, leaving the opening here for passing in the elastic. So I have sewed it round with half an inch. Can you see? I sewed it all round. Then I'm going to pass my elastic through this opening that was left before. So you take your safety pin, this is a safety pin, and pass it through the elastic like this. Can you see? Then you use it, you just put it into the opening here and start passing it. So I have passed the elastic band out. Can you see? I passed it out. Now to cut the length of your elastic band, take the edge circumference divided by 3 times 2. In case the edge circumference is, for example, if the edge circumference measurement is 24 inches, divide 24 by 3, that is 8 inches, times 2, that is 16 inches. So it means you measure 16 inches for the length of your elastic band and add your seam allowance. So remember, the seam allowance I added for this one is 1 inch. So that means I'll take 0.5 inch here and 0.5 inch here. So you just place it on top of each other like this with 0.5 inch apart and sew on this part. Can you see? You sew on it. So when you sew on it, you leave it and close the opening that was left here. You close it, you sew on it to close it. So I've done it. I've already closed the opening. Can you see? So this is what we have for our head bonnet. You can wear it like this, then you can turn it out and wear it like this. So now let's go to the cutting of the band. The band width is 10 inches. Can you see? The band width is 10 inches. Then the length of the band is, I use my head circumference times 4 times 4. So you can use the head circumference times 5. It depends on how long you want the band to be when you want to tie it. So I use head circumference times 4. So now you fold it into 2. So I folded it into 2. So I'm just going to make a shape like a slant to the tip. Can you see? So I'll do that to the other side as well. I'll sew with half an inch all through straight. Then I'll leave like about 4 inches opening for turning it to the positive side. So you sew on the negative side. So I've turned the band out and I've ironed it. Can you see? So this is the band and this is the head bonnet. You can see you can wear it out like this and you can wear it out in this form. And if you want to make yours 3-in-1, that means you are going to join this band to the bonnet. You just sew the middle like this and you tie it on, you wear it and tie it on your head. But for me, I'm not going to sew the band to it because I want it to be 4-in-1. I want to wear it in 4 ways. So I'm going to show you how it looks like now. So I have my head bonnet on like this. Then I'll take my band and show you how to wrap it around your head. Okay, so I've successfully tied the head bonnet around my head. Can you see? So this is how it looks like after tying the headband on the head bonnet. You can see it's lovely and you can wear it without the headband. You can remove it. You can wear it inside out. Can you see? So this is my beautiful head bonnet. So thanks for watching. Bye.